graphic installation and display setup of the Euro X banner display is both quick and easy. Once you have trimmed your graphic to the specified size, you are ready to install grommets. Mark the position of the grommets on the printed side of the graphic. Using a grommet press, set your grommets through the graphic at the marked positions. Repeat the process and place the grommets at the remaining corners of your graphic. Once the grommets are set, you are ready to install the graphic onto your display. Begin by removing the parts from the bag and placing the parts on a clean, flat surface. With one hand holding the base, insert both lower arms into the lower receptacles of the base connector. Next, insert both upper arms into the upper receptacles of the base connector. Attach your graphic by first hooking the upper arms hooks into the upper grommets of your graphic. Next, hook the lower arms hooks into the lower grommets of your graphic. You will need to bend the arms, and the arms will remain bent to add tension to the graphic. Once set, your Euro X banner display is complete and ready for use.